Hello, and welcome back to Poorly Recorded Gaming, the show where I very poorly record my gaming due to a jerry-rigged setup and an overall lack of skill. Last episode, we saw our first memory, and now we're coming back to Impa. We also had a very close encounter with Laser Shaft. I don't want to talk about it. I'm still scarred. So if I remember correctly, isn't there something behind the house? No, there's nothing behind the house. I think there used to be something behind the house, I'm not sure. Okay, Impa. Now, show me your butt. I mean, now that you've seen some of your princess memories, you must start to remember certain things, like how you want to show me your butt. No, I don't. Stop arguing. Yeah, I will hand this over to you now, before I forget. It's a very nice phone. I would like to see your butt in. Ooh, Champion Tunic! I was wearing that in memory, remember? Remember? This is something of yours I've been keeping safe by request of the princess. To see many things, including my okay. This clothing was specially made for you when you became a champion. Please handle it with care. Now, on the matter of your butt, don't. No, I'm running. I'll have to talk to you again. About your butt. But you may not remember your last meeting with Ganon, but it did not end well for you. If you want a different outcome this time around, you'll need to be properly equipped. To visit other locations, return to me. All I can do is tell you what took place. So I shall. I will tell you all that I know. I won't fail. So Zelda's fighting Calamity Ganon all alone. She needs the power of your butt. You're the only one who can save her. Your butt is the only thing that can save Hyrule. Now go. You must. Okay. Okay then. I'm gonna go. So, that is memories. But let's free the divine beasts. So, you got Varudania, Gorons, you got Meadow, Dorito, Varuda, Zora, and Boris with the Gyarados. So, I usually do Ruda first, but I think this time I'm going to do Meadow, because you get a sweet ability out of it. So, we need to head there, because that's where the Rito live. Gorons are here, Zora here, and Gyarados here. I'm gonna do the Gyarados one last, because it's hard. I don't like it very much. So I'm gonna go get an opponent, we're gonna follow the roads. We're gonna have some more horse adventures. Won't that be swell? Maybe we can encounter some more shrines on the way. If we find any trees, I'll cut them down.
He says.
Okay, it's just the wind. Anyway, hey Beetle, wanna buy some stuff? Look what I got, bro. A star fragment. Look at that? Want a cricket? We got some stuffs. We are well on our way to getting 3,000 rupees. Look, we're already a third of the way there. Sell some more stuff. Now we're gonna sell the ancient parts that I don't need. So, all I need is shafts and cores now. And that is it. My good friend Beetle. Go talk to Tasser and we're gonna take my horse. Max Bond. Wow. Max Bond. Already. Last I checked it was 24, and that was like a few episodes ago. Hey, how you doing? Okay, now that there's a max bond, every time my horse goes crazy, it's because I'm controlling it poorly. Hello, and welcome to Poorly Controlled Horse Riding. We're gonna follow the roads. We're hopefully not gonna die. Watch out, watch out! There you go. I didn't hit. It's amazing music. Oh, don't hit the person. I thought that was a bird for a second. Don't hit the person. Amazing music. There's another person. It's not sorry. Let's not hit the person, please. Run away. Okay. Follow the roads. Oh, and run out of the clutches of the camp. Music is wonderful. Moving at a nice leisurely pace. So yeah, horse riding gives us some time to think and admire the sights. So yeah, we're actually having a very, very nice time. Just riding my horse. Move out of the way, birds. Oh yeah. You see that thing in the sky?
You can't see
You can
it.
faintly see it in the sky.
No, you can't.
That is Divine Beast of Meadow.
Can't see it.
Right there.
It's a board.
Yeah, we're gonna go take on that thing. Because, in my opinion, it is the easiest divine beast. Puzzles may take a bit of skill, but I still say it's the easiest divine beast. And we're gonna run past all these monsters on the road. Hiya! Ran over a moblin. Back in the outpost ruins where we first landed. Beginning of our journey. There's the Great Plateau. Feels like ages since we were up there. The light is reflecting in the rain. Nice and calm. Just ignore them for now. They can handle themselves. Right? Right. They'll be fine. So we're just gonna go along the path here. We're just gonna ride a horse. Not sure if it'll be right. Traveler, I'm not talking to you. Horse riding is one of the most satisfying things in this game. It's very calm. Well, looks like we're doing another stable. Yeah, yes we are, because there's a shrine nearby. So let's stop by the stable. See, yeah. What a grand old time. Sorry, outskirt, stable. We will continue on next time on Poorly Recorded Gaming. So, that's the end of this episode. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't know why I started doing it, but why not? Anyway, I shall see you all in the next episode. Bye.